Hello, Namaskara. This is Ravi Chakravarthi from Rotary Bangalore South Parade. Chitrahar is back with its sixth edition. Dear friend Samanvita Sharma presents Simply Shreya, a nod to Shreya Ghoshal. A few of Namma Bengaluru's best singers are going to bring live on stage some of Shreya Ghoshal's fabulous numbers. And this year too, Rotary Bangalore South Parade is happy and privileged to be associated with Chitrahar, and the proceeds from this program are earmarked for Ashraya, an elderly care initiative by Rotary Bangalore South Parade. Please do come, enjoy the music, support the cause. 3rd December 2023, Chaudaya Memorial Hall, evening 6 p.m. See you all there. Don't miss it.